What's up, Glue Dots? I'm Elaine, the Midnight Crafter. I know it's been a red hot minute since I've been on here, so I am doing a quick little video just because I thought about it. It's easy for me to edit, throw on here for you guys, and I'm in the midst of trying to get ready here for a Christmas dinner we're going to be having for my husband's work. So I am going to be showing you how to make the little folded napkins that look like Christmas trees. It's easier than you might think, and I have had a few people tell me it looks like way too much work. So I'm going to show you right now how to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys because you think it's hard. It's actually not hard to make these Christmas tree napkin folds. So basically I just took a square napkin, fold it into fourths, and try and keep it as well lined up as possible, like with the edges. And then you just, having the loose ends up at the top here, I just fold it down, each one of them, so it's super easy and quick. Just like that, all four of them. And then you flip it over. This is the part that was confusing to me, and it's so funny because it's actually not that hard. So you just put your finger right down here straight in the middle part, and then take the one side and fold it up to there, and then take the other side and fold it up to there. So see, super easy. Take this little point here now and just tuck it in underneath over here. Flip it over, you've got that. And then you just tuck these little guys under. So it's actually pretty quick and easy. I mean, okay, it's not super quick. It's not like just rolling up a napkin and throwing a napkin ring on it, but still, it's festive and it's cute and it's easy. So see, it's not as hard as it looks. And then for me, I wanted to make sure I was able to use my fun napkin rings that I got because I really like them. So I'm just resting them up on there like a star. So kind of putting it in there. And there's my little napkins. That's, I don't know, I might go with that one. We'll see. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more little things like this or some of the other crafts I've done in the past.